Hi friends, I'm Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel Tea Time Adda. Today I am going to tell about 10 items that should not be stored in the fridge. First one is tomatoes. Storing tomatoes in the fridge will prevent it from ripening. Ripening is the process that imparts more flavors to tomatoes, and storing them in the fridge will make them lose their flavor. The texture of the tomato also gets altered, hence it is best to keep tomatoes in a bowl or basket. Second one is honey. Crystallization of honey might take place if it is stored in the refrigerator. Honey lasts for a very long time if it is stored it in an airtight container. Third one, coffee. Coffee, if stored in the fridge, loses its flavor and takes in the flavors of food around it. Therefore, you must store coffee in the cool and dark place if you want it to retain its flavor and odor. Fourth one, olive oil. If olive oil is stored in the fridge, it will condense and acquire butter-like consistency. Therefore, olive oil should not also be stored in a cool and dark place. Fifth, bread. You can store sliced sandwich bread which you intend to consume within a few days in the refrigerator. Otherwise, storing the bread in the refrigerator will dry it out. If you want to store bread in the refrigerator at all, wrap it up so that the moisture is retained. After removing it, allow it to thaw slowly before toasting. Sixth, garlic. Garlic stored in the fridge turns rubbery and moldy, hence it is best to store garlic in a dark and cool place. 7. Avocado. Placing an avocado in the fridge delays the ripening process. Hence, if you want your avocados to ripen, do not place them in the refrigerator. However, if you already have a ripe avocado which you want to store for a few days before using it, you can store it in the fridge. 8. Onions. If onions are placed in the refrigerator, it eventually turns soft and moldy because of the moisture. Hence, it is best to store them in the cool and dry place. 9th, potatoes. When a potato is stored in the refrigerator, it turns sweet and gritty since the starch in the potato is readily converted into sugar. Instead, put it in a paper bag and store in a cool place, preferably a dark one. Since paper bags are breathable, they are better than plastic bags, and potatoes do not rot easily. 10th, basil. If basil leaves are stored in the refrigerator, they will wilt. Basil leaves will also absorb the smells of food items around it and lose its flavor and smell. Hence, basil leaves should be stored in a cup of fresh water like flowers. Thanks for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. Always keep smiling. Bye bye.